ನಾನು ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಾದ ನಾನು
What was meant to be a smooth start for the D.K. Shivakumar government has quickly turned into a political headache. Just 2 days after the swearing-in ceremony and hours after portfolio allocation, senior Congress leader Ramalinga Reddy tendered his resignation from the cabinet. Reddy, who was allocated the irrigation portfolio, made it clear that he was unhappy with the decision.
ಮತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಜನಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು 2 ಬಾರಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಕರೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಶಾಸಕನಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನು ಎರಡನೇ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ.
India Today has accessed Reddy's signed resignation letter. In the letter, the veteran Congress leader stated that he could not work against his conscience and therefore decided to step down from the ministerial post. While expressing disappointment over the portfolio allocation, Reddy maintained that he was not upset with Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar or senior Congress leader Siddaramaiah. He also clarified that he would continue as an MLA and remain with the party.
ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೋಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೋಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೋಪ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ತಗೋತಾರೆ.
The rebellion, however, did not stop there. Another senior Congress leader and Food and Civil Supplies Minister, K.H. Muniappa, also voiced unhappiness over the portfolio distribution. Muniappa urged the leadership to reconsider both his allocation and that of Ramalinga Reddy, adding to the pressure on the newly formed cabinet.
ಖಾತೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ 8 ಸಾರಿ, ನಾನು 8 ಸಾರಿ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ 8, 7, 5, 6 ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆದ್ದಿರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಮತೋಲನವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಅಖಿಲ ಭಾರತ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಾಯಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
Sensing the seriousness of the situation, Congress leadership moved swiftly. Congress General Secretary Abhishek Dutt met Ramalinga Reddy and attempted to persuade him to withdraw his resignation and remain in the cabinet. Party leaders are now engaged in damage control efforts to prevent the discontent from snowballing into a larger crisis.
He is the most senior leader. We were discussing GBA elections and we are going to win all 5 seats in GBA.
K.H. Muniappa also met Rahul Gandhi at Bengaluru airport and demanded that the leadership look at demands of ministers. Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar and Congress leaders from Karnataka, however, said that the rebellion was temporary and that issues would be resolved.
I speak to me as a great friend and an important leader. I will sort it out.
So they're also saying that his supporters and Congress workers also are going to be resigning, so there is a word.
Discipline is more important than anything.
He is very important for the party. He is very important for the state. 9 ಸಾರಿ ಗೆದ್ದವರು, ಅವರ ಅನುಭವ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್.
ಎರಡೇ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು
ಕೆಲವು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Outside the corridors of power, the political fallout was visible on the streets. Supporters of Ramalinga Reddy staged protest, expressing anger over the portfolio allocation. The protests have exposed growing unease within sections of the state Congress unit barely days into the new government's tenure. The opposition BJP was quick to seize the opportunity. The Saffron Party accused the Congress of being consumed by internal power struggles and alleged that governance has already taken a backseat. BJP leaders claimed the developments reflected instability within the ruling party and questioned the government's ability to deliver on its promises. With one minister resigning, another openly unhappy, and supporters hitting the streets, D.K. Shivakumar's government is confronting its first major political challenge almost immediately after taking office. A big question now is whether the Congress High Command can contain the rebellion and restore unity before the discontent deepens further.